Hello children, good morning to you all. We have completed short notes part yesterday. Today I am going to give you some objective part. That is only complete the following type, fill in the blanks. Some 10 to 15 I am going to give. You are going to note. Of course I am going to give you the typed matter also. For reading purpose I am taking this class. Just you are listening to me carefully. Understand? At the same time you are reading the lesson also to get your answers. So let us start. Complete the following. In which lesson? Function organs of the UNO. Okay. So first one, the Secretary General, they are in the textbook also 5. I am going to add afterwards to them. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly. Second, the International Court of Justice has judges, 15 judges. We have got even in our short notes also. Third, the Security Council has has 10 non-permanent members. Non-permanent members. Fourth is the headquarters of the UNESCO is in Paris. The headquarters of the UNESCO is in Paris. It is only for reading purpose again and again I tell. I am going to give you the note. Fifth one, the name of the present Secretary General is present Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. So these 5 are from the textbook. Let us read them once. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly. The Secretary General is appointed by the General Assembly. International Court of Justice has 15 judges. International Court of Justice has 15 judges. The Security Council has 10 non-permanent members. The Security Council has 10 non-permanent members. The headquarters of the UNESCO is in Paris. The headquarters of the UNESCO is in Paris. The name of the present Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. The name of the present Secretary General of the UNO is Antonio Guterres. Next, I am going to give my own, on my own. So, sixth one, the General Assembly is known as the World Parliament. International Parliament or World Parliament. In your textbook they gave international. So let us use that word. International, one and the same. International Parliament. Then seventh is Security Council looks after the peace and security in the world. The peace and security in the world. In the world. Eighth one is the organ of the UN, the organ of the UN which is not functional, means which is not working at present. It is Trusteeship Council. Trusteeship Council. Next, ninth, the International Court of Justice is also called World Court. World Court. So these we will read again. The General Assembly is known as the International Parliament. The General Assembly is known as the International Parliament. Security Council looks after the peace and security in the world. Security Council looks after the peace and security in the world. The organ of the UN, which is not functional now, is Trusteeship Council. The International Court of Justice is also called the World Court. Okay. Next. The executive branch. 10th is the executive branch, means administrative branch, which carries on the functions of the UNO. Branch of the UN is the Secretariat. Is the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is the head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General. Then last one, the UNO's spokesperson is the Secretary General of the UN. These are, if you complete the following, you write, then we stop our lesson by this. The executive branch of the UN is the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General. The executive branch of the UN is the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General. The UNO's spokesperson is the Secretary General of the UN. The UNO spokesperson means one who takes responsibility of maintaining cooperation or coordination among all the organs, officials, etc. is the Secretary General of the UNO. So these are the complete the following. You must copy in your notebook as I give you the typed matter. So here we stop today's class. Thank you.